Welcome to AM Best Audio.
We're here in London for AM Best Insurance Market Briefing Europe. For AM Best TV, I'm Richard Banks. And I'm joined now by AM Best's Konstantin Langowski and Tony Silverman. Gentlemen, welcome.
Thank you.
So, having had the first year of reporting and looking forwards, do you think there will be any development in how insurers report under IFRS-17?
Generally, we believe that IFRS-17 is quite a complex new standard, and we believe that there will be further evolvements of the standard, especially what we see currently in terms of the segmental reporting. There are discrepancies by various companies to the depth in segmental reporting. And we believe that this is an area which could further develop going forward.
Tony, any other changes that you might envisage?
Well, I think there'll be quite a lot of development in how companies report. There always is, of course, and there's no reason to believe that history has come to an end just because companies have reported the first year. There's quite a long list of things we could talk about. I'm going to just mention two or three. IFRS-17 incorporates what were trade creditors and debtors, unpaid premiums, funds withheld, amounts held by agents and brokers, which are not subject to insurance risk. They are credit risk items, but and these were previously part of trade creditors and debtors, and the IFRS-17 wraps them up with the insurance contract liabilities. Some insurers have disclosed what these are, and some haven't. We'll see what happens going forwards. There's the whole question of the balance sheet impact of acquisition cost cash flows, some of which are expensed later, or even against new policies which haven't been written yet, and the balance sheet effect of this is disclosed only in part. Konstantin mentioned segmental reporting, which some companies are doing better than others. And the reporting of expenses, the translation from the detailed IFRS-17 reporting into management performance indicators is pretty unclear. So we're at the early stages, is the truth of the matter. We've just had 1 year of reporting, and we think this will develop in quite a lot of ways going forward.
Customize your data experience. BestLink now offers an interactive company dashboard that provides company-level intelligence in a fast, user-friendly interface featuring interactive tables, charts, and Sparkline performance histories. Customize the dashboard tiles to prioritize the insurer ratings, data, and analytics that best support your workflow. AM Best. Our insight, your advantage.
So one of the highest profile new quantities is the contractual service margin, CSM. Has this been useful?
Well, yes, this is, as you say, a very high profile, new measure. And it is used. We use it explicitly as part of the net economic value due to long-term business in our methodology. So we use it for the life segment there. And it has, even in the first year that we've already had, and say we've only had 1 year, we've had some pretty major move. That amount has moved around quite a lot. It's been at least as volatile as the VIF that used to be reported, and it has the same fungibility issues. So we do use it. We do have a haircut for those sorts of reasons of the order of 50%. It is audited, whereas the VIF wasn't subject to the same level of audit, but audited numbers, we treat them variously, and in this case, yes, we certainly use it with that haircut.
Gentlemen, thank you very much indeed for joining us.
Thank you for having us.
For AM Best TV, I'm Richard Banks.
Looking to get the full attention of the insurance industry? We have the platforms that will do just that. Whether it be AM Best TV, AM Best Audio, Best Review Magazine, or Best Day. Find out more by calling AM Best Advertising Sales at 908-439-2200, extension 5399, and have a great day.